In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Adobe Illustrator as PNG. For example, if you have a logo or an illustration and you want to export it with a transparent background, you can do this by saving it as a PNG file. To begin, open your Illustrator file. Then, click on the File option at the top of the navigation menu on your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, hover your mouse over the Export option and a few options will appear. Select Export As from the list. Once the Export As window opens, you need to name your file. Next, click on the Format drop-down menu and you will see a list of available export formats. From this list, select PNG. After selecting PNG, click on the Export button. The PNG options window will now appear. Here you have several settings that you can adjust based on your needs. First, you can set the resolution of your image. Next, you can select the background color. You can choose a solid color like white or black if you prefer a colored background. But if you want your image to have a transparent background, choose transparent from the background color section. After configuring all the settings, simply click on OK. Illustrator will export the PNG file to the location you selected. To verify, locate the folder where you saved the file and open it. You will see that it has been exported with the selected resolution and background settings. And that's how you can save Adobe Illustrator as a PNG file.